Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this, first let's open settings. Then we need to locate advanced features. And here we have motions and gestures. Now there's all four of them, and let's check how they work. First one being double tap to turn off a screen, and it should work like this. So we need to double tap on empty space in home or lock screen. So let's try it out. Yep, it works fine, but it doesn't work in reverse, so we can't unlock our phone this way. Next one is turn over to mute, so mute all incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. So if you place your phone, the screen to the surface, it should mute all incoming calls. Pick up phone to call. Bring your phone close to your ear to call the contact whose messages or contact details are on the screen. So if you open some contact, so it's visible on the screen, and then pick up your phone to your ear, it will answer a call automatically. Last is fingerprint gestures. Open and close the notification panel using fingerprint scanner, which is located right here on the bottom, and we can use it like that to bring out our notification bar like that, and you can hide it as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.